My goals are for us to continue to build on the strong foundations that we have. We're a wonderful law school with a great deal to offer.
Meet Karen Bravo, new dean at Indiana University Robert H. McKinney School of Law.
The opportunity to lead the law school is an honor and privilege, and being able to work with the team, faculty, staff, work with our students to make sure that we are going to meet the future head on. We're going to be in advance of the ball.
Born and raised in Jamaica, JD at Columbia University, practiced international corporate law in New York and Boston, before an LLM at NYU and 16 years teaching at IU McKinney. She sees the benefits to students here.
Our school is fantastically placed for individuals who want to come in and start helping and making a difference from the beginning. One of our strengths is that experiential learning, and pro bono is a big part of our ability to provide a practical component. Our students are able to pick among a variety of wonderful opportunities in order to advance their knowledge and their career.
Experiencing for herself, Dean Bravo recently attended a protest with her teenage daughter and her daughter's best friend.
These young people are passionate. I think the young people are leading us at this time, and we're responding.
And what is Dean Bravo's vision for IU McKinney going forward?
There is so much change, right? The constant is change, so we will change with it. That's what we do as lawyers. We transform for the benefit of our students, the benefit of our public, the state, and the world.
Welcome, Dean Bravo, and bravo to Indiana University Robert H. McKinney School of Law, empowering you to make a difference.